Ooh.
Perfect. Yeah.
That was loud.
Stretch here. That was good. There, and I can certainly feel it. We'll go right here first. You go breathe in and out. Good. Again. Good. One more time. That already moved. Good. We'll go here now. Breathe in and hold your breath. Perfect. Relax there. Okay. Alright, keep that relaxed. I'm actually going to drop this.
I might that is
Just a little bit. Good. Alright, nice and easy right there. Okay. I'm going to tilt you here and push there. Good. Alright, now. Which side was the back pain on when you
On my
woke
right.
up the other day?
To my right.
Okay, all right, keep that relaxed. Perfect. Okay, now let me there. Oh, there, good. A little tight right there. All right, nice and easy here. Good, relax. Okay, on your back. Let's get you this. Good. Nice and easy right here. That was a good one.
Yeah, that felt good.
Same thing on this side. Good. Alrighty, man. What's that?
So they get taller.
Now relaxed here. Perfect. Let's go to this side. Perfect. Good. Okay, now flip on your stomach. Patient, those joints move so good. Doesn't have a lot of spasm around the joint. Doesn't have a lot of arthritis. So good adjustments there. A little tight through there. Let's go right here. Go ahead, breathe in and out. Good, again. Good, one more. Good. Now breathe in, hold it in. Good, relax. There. Good. Perfect. All right, sir. Go ahead and come up.
Put cheese on today. Those are cool. Okay, let me get this under your skull. I'm gonna do it real easy for you, okay? Just breathe through your nose, move your right big toe. That a girl?
Okay.
See that was easy, wasn't it?
Not nearly as painful as before.
Well, you had a whole different scenario going on before. Okay. Tilt right a little. There you go, boy. Crack it. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so on this one, you just want to relax and breathe. Keep your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. And wiggle your left big toe. Just like that.
God.
Yes, sir.
Holy
Oh
my
That's the
God.
most common phrase on this. Okay, tilt left. Yes, sir. Tilt right. Just like that.
Holy cow.
Yeah, you definitely gonna be a crackhead's favorite on those.
Holy mackerel.
Keep your teeth together, breathe through your nose with your right ear. There it is, right there.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Now you should have felt that all the way down.
all the way
Jerry.
down, my friend.
Good. Okay, lay back here. Now look at that.
Oh,
Look at the difference in
oh
that
God,
reflex.
they jumps, man.
Yeah.
Woo! I'm ready to play some football, Rock.
Uh-huh. Let me tilt left here a little with your right toe. There you go. Turn, tilt right. That's it. Doesn't get any better than
It
that.
don't. That's good right there.
Sitting, standing, working, driving, sleeping.
Yeah.
All those things are underlying causes of biomechanical distortions, which we call subluxations. All right. Yes, sirree. That was a ringer.
yeah, that
Springer
was a good
dinger
one.
there.
That was a good one. I needed that.
Got that one all the way down. You're still kicking.
Yeah. Yeah, the sleep.
I hope Springer hits a few dingers tonight.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Tilt right. Yes,
I
sir.
needed
Didn't
that.
get any better now.
I needed that big time.
That was
Yeah.
perfect.